Hello guys, welcome to the another video. In this video, as you can see in the title, we're going to talk about the B1 English language grade 5 test. If you want to apply for British nationality or citizenship, you need this B1 English language grade 5 certificate. So you can get from the different college, but I'm going to express my personal experience, how I passed my B1 and where did I apply. So I applied in the Trinity college. So to apply on the Trinity college is very easy. Just go to their website and book it, and they will send you the email, and they will send you the coursework as well. They will send you how you can prepare, and its material is going to be as well, and they're going to send you the topic form as well, which I'm going to show you later. So I'm going to go through with my personal experience how I pass and how I prepare it. Okay, so when you apply to the Trinity college, it's about I think 150 180 pound, depend on the locations where do you base and where you want to go, because different price is different on the different locations. Okay, so let's start. When you apply, they're going to send you the email to how you can prepare it. Okay, then in this email you're going to get the topic form as well. So this topic form, you have to print it out and fill it, and you have to take this with you when you're going to go to the exam, because this is very important, because the total exam is going to be 10 minutes. So the 5 minutes first is going to be they're spending on your topic. So I'm going to show you. This form is going to be look like this if I show you closely. So you're going to download from the website, but it's free on the Google as well. If you could just write it down, topic form Trinity College, it will comes up. You can download and you can practice by yourself as well. Okay, so I'm going to talk about briefly now. So when you're going to get this form, so you have to write your topic, and then you can break it down. That topic, your topic means you can make the 5 questions, and the examiner will ask minimum 4 questions about your topic. So I'm going to give you my example. Look, I choose London. So London, then I'm going to show you how I make the questions. So the first question is mine one, why I choose London to live. You can make this one. So the second one, difference between my city and London. And the other one is, and had problems when start living in London. So the other one, I will move from London to study. Then you can talk about the London weather. So this is my topic, London. So I break it down in 5 questions. So means you're gonna give this form to the examiner. It's very easy, guys, don't worry. So you can choose any topic, which one you like it. You could choose festival, transport, anything, you can choose it. Okay, then what is gonna happen when you're gonna give this to the examiner? So the examiner will ask only 4 questions, which you make it already. So he's gonna ask you, let's say, why I choose London to live. So I'm gonna explain it, because and there is a more opportunities of the job, because my family live here, my most family member live in London. That's why I choose live to London. Just only he's gonna ask this question. Then when you're gonna tell about the family, then he's gonna ask the question. It's gonna be very easy. Trust me, guys, it's not hard. Means if you let's say if you say why I choose London, because there's a more job opportunity, then he's gonna ask. He can ask, what do you do? Then he can ask you, then you can say, because I choose to live in London because of my most member of the family live in London. So you can say who live in London. So it's going to be very easy, don't worry, guys. Is And then he's going to ask a difference between my city and London. You can just tell them when one sentence or 2 sentences. Then he's going to ask 1 question. It's going to be very easy, that what is the difference between my city and London. You're gonna say, oh, my city is small, this city is very big. Then you're gonna ask, okay, where do you live? Then it's gonna be very easy, trust me, it's not hard. Okay, then had problem when he start living in London. Then he's gonna ask this one. So this is the 5 questions. So you're gonna give it to him. He's gonna ask a minimum 4. He can maybe ask 2. Okay, with my experience, if you are very good in English, you can speak, then it's going to be like a conversation. Then means why I choose London to live. So when he examiner realize, okay, so I can speak very good English, so then he's gonna ask a question about this why I choose London to live. Okay, what do you like? He's gonna carry on with that. He's not gonna go through the other, but he can go. But if you, with my experience, my English was okay. So then he just asked, we just discuss about, he just choose two topic, and then we move to the next session. So this is going to be the 5 minutes, no more than 5 minutes, because total exam is 10 minutes. Okay, so when this done, so you must ask the question to the examiner, about the London, your topic. You have to write it down. You can ask any question, but you must ask, because this is going to be good expression. Okay, so the 5 minutes is done now. Now he's going to move to the second session, which is going to be the topic. So so you have to select the it's not, you're not going to select it, is already. So this is a permanent topic. You have to talk about these topics. So the examiner is going to be choose two topics, so he can ask any question, then you have to discuss with him. So I'm going to show you this topic. So the first one is festival, then means of transport, special occasions, means birthday, then entertainment like cinema, televisions, so is music, and recent personal experience. So the examiner is gonna choose two topics, then he's gonna discuss with you. Trust me, is very easy. Let's say he's gonna choose festival, then he's gonna ask about what kind of festival do you celebrate. So you can say, if you live Muslim, you can Eid, Hindu Diwali. If you know about the England festival, there's a lot of festival you can find in the Google. You can talk about that as well. Or but if you have your festival, you can talk about. Then he's going to ask you first, what kind of festival do you celebrate? Let's say I celebrate Eid, so I'm going to talk about the Eid. Then he's going to ask, oh, how do you celebrate Eid? Then I say, we go to the mosque, then we get together in the family. We have a lot of family members. We have make food. We can say like a Christmas kind of things. Yeah, so it's going to be very easy. Then he's going to talk about 2-3 minutes. Then he's going to move to the next topic. Let's say he's going to choose special occasion, means a birthday. Then he's going to ask you, how do you celebrate your birthday? So it's kind of this kind of question. Trust me, there's a videos, example videos, if you write it on B1 Trinity College. So there's a like a real exam videos, they make it, and they ask the question. The people, they can't speak English properly. I mean, they're very hard to speak them, but they passed as well. I personally know my cousins as well. They just move from their country, our country, and they have to apply for British passport, and it's very hard for them to learn English, but they passed as well. Because yeah, so first you're gonna choose your topic, you're gonna make your questions, and you can practice. And it's mean, if you can speak little English, it's easy to pass it. It's not like a algebra math. It's very easy, trust me. Because you can apply for nationality. I think if you have to live here for 5 years, so in 5 years you learn a lot of English. Means you can speak easily, is my experience. So yeah, so that's it. So this is total is going to be 5 minutes, the second option. So please, you must ask the question as well from the examiner. So okay, means you can say about the music, or what kind of music do you like. Mean these you must ask the question. Means first you ask the question about your topic, then about this topic. This is done now. So hope so you understand, and it's going to be easy for you guys. And I pray and hope you're gonna pass in first attempt as well. If you follow these rules, it's not hard. You don't need to be scared, don't worry. And I wish you good luck, guys. So if you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I'm putting videos most often. And if I put any videos, and if it's relevant to you, you're gonna get the notification. Thank you so much for watching.